Hello everyone, it's Chris, the CEO here at TCA Wireless. Is your iPad screen cracked? LCD showing a black screen? iPad not charging? Need it fixed right and fast? Come down to TCA Wireless. We understand the importance of keeping you connected to your family, your friends, and your business. So we use the highest quality parts, employ knowledgeable technicians, and all iPad screen repairs come with a 1-year warranty. Either book a repair appointment on our website or come down to one of our repair centers today. With 3 repair centers located in all the Don Quijote stores, Honolulu, Pearl City, and Waipahu, there's sure to be a TCA Wireless repair center near you. We hope this video was helpful and we look forward to welcoming you to TCA Wireless.